Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, I'm going to do a CNC project today, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make today is a baby sign, having the birthday, the time, how much they weighed, and how long they are. And I designed it in Vectric, and this is what it's going to look like. And what I'm going to use here is a piece of white oak. And it's 15 inches long, about 5.5 inches wide, and I've got a tapered ball nose bit in there. So let's begin carving. Okay, now that that's carved, I've changed out and put a 90-degree V-bit in there. Let me get it ready for paint. Might have to do just a little bit of hand sanding, get the fuzzies off. Okay, I'm going to apply down some clear lacquer on it. Now all I'm going to do is apply it to where I'm going to paint at. Okay, I've got it on here, and I want to let it set probably 30 minutes to an hour, probably an hour to let it dry, and then we'll apply some paint to it. Okay, now that it's dry, I'm going to apply some craft paint, and I'm going to paint the blue in here since it was a boy, and then we'll paint the other letter in black. Okay, I've got it painted. I put a couple of coats on there. I'm going to let it dry and see if I need to add any more, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, I let it dry overnight. Now I'm going to take some 120 sandpaper over the top of it here. Okay, I've got it sanded, so let's blow it off. Okay guys, this is what it looks like when it's finished. You know, I could have stained it, but with this white oak, you don't have to. If you want to stain it, you can. This is something else that you can carve on your CNCs. As always, thanks for watching guys.